This post is for Liviu, who is asking how to maybe get a more accurate vocoder. An idea popped into my head where I was like, what if instead of using a single vocoder, what if I used 5 vocoders, but I have each one formant shifted? So you can see here that I have this one at formant shift -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. To start off with, we're only going to listen to the third one in this parallel configuration, because the third one is the one that's not formant shifted. So this is what you would get if you just use the Chronos vocoder by itself. I'm going to turn off the sound of my voice so you're only hearing the vocoded signal. This is the Chronos vocoder. Now let's hear what it sounds like if I turn up the other bands, and I'll do so on this page so you can actually see me increasing the signal for those other vocoders. This is a single band. This is 2 bands. This is 3 bands. This is 4 bands. And now we have 65 bands. Okay, so that's 65 bands. I don't like turning the high one all the way up because I think just the high formant shift sounds a little goofy, but yeah. So that's 65 bands technically. It's not, if we could set the resonance of the vocoder, then that would be a lot better. Like the radius vocoder or R3 or Microkorg XL, those let you actually set the kind of like the width of the bands, but you are stuck with a single vocoder on those systems anyway, so it's probably actually not as good as, I guess, having 65 overlapping wide bands. But anyway, for the sake of comparison, let's listen to what it sounds like with the same timbre going through an analog 256 band vocoder. So let me turn that up all the way wet. This is an analog 256 band vocoder. I'm going to turn up the highs to see if it increases intelligibility. So now with boosted highs, I think it makes the sound a lot more intelligible. Again, this is 256 bands. That's 256 bands of vocoder. And again, let's listen to 65 bands on the Chronos. So this is, let's kill my voice as well. Again, this is 65 bands of Chronos vocoder. This is 1 band of Chronos vocoder. This is 65 bands of Chronos vocoder. I think it's a little bit more intelligible than normal. Cool. So that's it. Hopefully that was interesting. But yeah, bye.